And I'm back, and what I have here today is an insert for this motor mount. This is off of a 2006 Mazda 5, but this happens on other vehicles sometimes too. You can buy the complete assembly, and on this particular car, this was about $100 for this complete assembly, and it was about $35 to buy just the insert. So, and you can see when I turn the mount over, there's a couple of wings here that are bent. There's metal inside of that rubber, and it's just bent up to hold it onto there. You remember this when I was working on the car last week. I found that that mount was broken. Does anybody see a frog talking to you there? Do you see the frog with the eyes and the mouth? No? Is it just me? Okay, it's just me. And then, so this mount came in, and actually I bought a whole kit with 4 different mounts in it. But nonetheless, I have a replaceable insert here. So I'm going to clean up this bracket and change that insert. I'm going to mark this bracket because that insert will go in either way. So I'm just going to put an arrow on here towards where the eyes are, like that. So I'll put the circles like that and the arrow that way. That way I'll know which way to put this one in. I'll put that whole thing in the vise, make it a little easier. All right, pry that over. Knock that down a little bit. And that's it there. I'm just going to mark a little bit of scratch on here where the point of that arrow is, for that direction, and I can clean that up. Alright, so we got our bracket. The direction is like that. Alright, put this in here. See, that comes in like that. And just got to bend that up. Let's see if we can get a bend in it with this to start with. Okay. Oh. Collapse this one. Okay. That's one side. We'll get that other side in there now. See? Pretty good. I'll get that folded over. I don't know if that will fold over. Now I don't have enough. You know, I'm not that happy with how that went in there. I'll tell you why. These little wings here, they're centered, you know. They're centered, like I bent it as close as I could to there. And here, you know, I actually took it out once, but it doesn't have enough really to overlap. It's not as long as the other one. Like the piece of metal that you bend over isn't as long as the original. And as a result of that, the bracket and the mount have movement between them. Right down here, you can see that. See it moving? And I've whacked on it and pried on it, and I could make it try a little, you know, maybe squeeze it here a bit, but it doesn't seem to want to grab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill through this steel in this here, and that way this will only move on the rubber. It won't just move on the bracket. See, because there's no way it should be moving on the bracket there. And see here, it's far from coming over. You remember the other one was lapped over pretty good. So yeah, it's just one of these things that they copy of a copy of a copy. And yeah, you think you're getting a bargain, but I've actually even toyed with today just getting the other one, you know, spending the extra money. But I think I can I can drill it through here, put a couple of screws in there, and I think it'll be fine. I got a container of screws here. I'm gonna, I guess, some, I don't know if I have sheet metal screws, what I can use in there. I got this other thing here. Oh, these are not sheet metal screws, are they? Over here. That's the other thing, you want to lessen your misery in life. Spend some time organizing your nuts and bolts and screws into little containers like this. This will help you find them. Now, yeah, it's pretty hokey. I hate hokey stuff. I just hate it. I'd just rather throw it in the garbage than use it. But I think I'll see if I can find a bolt to put in there. Let's see. I'm not really finding anything here that's ringing my bell. That's almost, that weakens that bracket quite a bit to put that one in, but that would probably do it. Bolt something like that in there, drill it right through, and put one of those in there. I know. Don't bother saying. It's kind of rough. I know it's rough. It's rough and nasty, but I think it'll work. Almost. There it is. There it is, Bobby. Now, let's see where that goes. All the way through. What have I done? What have I done? It might still be okay. That'll be okay. Went a little off track there, but that's okay, I think. Let's see. We can put our bolt in there. There it goes. There she is. Okay. Now, what's it look like on the other side, I wonder? Oh, I came out a little crooked, but that's still good. That'll be fine. Now, we're going to put a nut on there. Let's see, put that locking washer down there. And we'll put the nut on there. Make it nice and snug. Good. Okay, look at that. See, it's only moving in the rubber now. It's not moving relative to the bracket. That's what I wanted. Okay. So I'll find a hacksaw. We'll cut this off. I think that'll be fine, just like that. Look at that. And that's okay, a little off center. Who's going to see it? It's going to be down against the engine. I got the ears the right way. And just let me get that cut off. There, everything looks good. That's fine. Better, stronger, faster than it ever was before. And that did the trick. And it's in there nice and secure. And you can see when I wiggle the mount now, it's only the rubber moving, not this relative to the frame. Okay, so it's a little while later, and I've been cleaning up the cover, and I just stuck the mount on the cover the way it goes. And I've been looking at it, and I think I'm going to put another bolt in here. You know, most of you that watched it a few minutes ago could see where that bolt was mostly on one side, so it's been kind of irritating me, so I thought I'm going to drill it out and put another bolt right here. I don't have the exact bolt, but I have a carriage bolt of similar size and proportion that I can put in here. And that'll just, I don't know if it's going to make it any stronger or not, but it's going to make me feel like I've done it the way I should have done it. So I'll sleep a lot better knowing I've done the right thing. Okay. Let's see here. There we go. Now we'll do the same thing. I'll get another nut on washer on the other side, and I'll saw that off, and we can all get a better night's sleep. Okay. Get it tightened down. That's looking good. We got her. I've redeemed myself. I put the second bolt in there. All right. And you can see now when the bracket moves, it's just on the rubber. See, it's not moving here between the frame and that piece there. That's the way it's supposed to be. I'm glad I put the second bolt in. I'm glad we've had this time together. Thank you for watching. Comments down below, and we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.